MAJiK's real-time data engine allows for quick reporting without having to pre-process your data like many manual systems, such as Excel spreadsheets or production whiteboards would have you do. Automatic data collection allows for ownership of information on all levels of production, storing it in a single source location for everyone to access and evaluate, without having to waste time collecting it. Giving everyone access to the same real-time data and reports allows your production team to build consensus on what the main issues are, and empowers everyone to act and measure the effects of their improvements. Production meetings should act as a mechanism to build this consensus and align everyone on a path to continuous improvement. Lean manufacturing teams often use the plan, do, check, act methodology for problem solving. With Visual Factory automating your data collection, you can shorten your production meetings by following an evaluate, plan, act template, where we evaluate where improvements need to be made, plan efforts accordingly, and act on alerts and dashboards from Visual Factory to enable a proactive, lean culture. Let's dive deeper into how your team can use MAJiK Visual Factory to make your production meetings more effective.